Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my natural hair update, and I am currently either 6 or 9 months post big chop. I don't quite know which one it is as I'm filming this video, but you guys will definitely know by the title. And I have to say that I still love my natural hair. I do not regret going natural, not one bit. I love it, love it, love it. I love touching it, I love washing it, I love everything about it. But as much as I love my hair, I don't feel like I'm giving my hair a fair chance at being amazing. When I say that, I mean I don't wear my hair out, so nobody really know how great it is besides me. And I want to wear my hair out more often. I want to wear braid outs and twist outs and perm rods and flexi rods and flat twists and all that good jazz, but I just never do it. I always put on a hat, I put on a wig, I put on a scarf, and just call it a day. So I want to make an effort to style my hair more often and really get to know it on another level, on a deeper level, because right now it ain't there at all. But today I actually have a twist out, and it is a bit frizzy, and I don't like the frizz, but I don't mind the frizz. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you think I did. I am trying to, master twist outs and braid outs and whatnot. So I'm just gonna, I don't know. It's like I love twist outs on other people. I want to love twist outs on myself, but I don't do them enough on myself to even know how to correctly do them on me. I'll do it one week and not do it the next week. Like, the consistency is not there. So I need to be consistent to master it. That's the problem. There it is. We figured it out. I also want to figure out, do I like my hair side part, middle part, push back in my face like with a bang, or flipped over to the right or flipped over to the left. I don't know which one I like, because as I said, I don't wear my hair out. But I kind of like this. I kind of like this middle part with the little pieces, hanging in my face like that. I think it's pretty cute, but who knows? I could be delusional, and once I watch this footage back, I could be like, sis, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. So let me know what you guys think down below of my hair. How do you wear your hair? Do you wear the middle part, side part, push back, flipped over, left or right? Let me know down below in the comments how you wear your hair. Also, I wanted to talk about some products. Now, I did do a first impression on this hair mask here. It's the Shea Moisture Sasha Inca Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Hair Mask. In that video, I wasn't sure if I left the product on too long, which is what gave me my results that I had. But I used this product again, and the results are still the same. This product is so bomb. I love it. It works for me in my hair. If you guys haven't tried this product out, you definitely should. And if you missed that video, I will link it up above as well down below, just in case you guys want to watch it. But I do enjoy this product. My hair was still soft. It was moisturized. It was manageable. It's just amazing. I really like this product. And speaking of products, I have brought more, well, just two. I brought this Grande Fruity Smoothing Treatment 1 Minute Hair Mask. I brought the avocado one because I do want to do a DIY avocado mask, but when I seen this, I was like, just get this and try this out. So hopefully it's good. I don't know, but hopefully it's good. So I got that, and I also got this Sunny Owls Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask Damage Reversal Formula. Not that I think my hair is damaged or anything, but I like Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I use their Jamaican Black Castor Oil by this brand, so I always want to pick this product up, and I finally did. So hopefully it works out for my hair. As you guys can see, I like deep conditioners. I buy them all the time, probably because I use them all the time, so I need to constantly buy more and more and more. So that's what I do. But those are all the products I picked up since like my last hair care video. I will link all my videos as far as my hair or styling my hair down below in the description box as well, just in case you guys are interested. As far as my hair regimen and whatnot, that hasn't changed. I still do the same things. Also, the products I've been using, they're still the same. There's some that I don't really like, some that I like but they aren't amazing, so I won't repurchase, but they're not bad products, and some that I really love. So there's that. Maybe I can do a video on that. I'm not sure if you guys will be interested in that. If you are interested in that, let me know down below in the comments as well. And I think that's pretty much it. Ooh, and I also want to make a a length check shirt. I know they sell those online, but I want to make one. So mine's gonna look a little ratchet, so I'm just gonna make it. All I need is a white shirt, a ruler, and a marker, and I feel like that will better help me know if I'm retaining length, because I do want to retain length. So I'm gonna make me one of those, and it'll be easier to track, so I could tell you guys like, oh, 3 months ago my hair was at the 2 mark and now my hair is at the 4 mark. So I feel like that would be cool, so I'm gonna do that. And as far as a lip check, I will show you guys my hair. So this is the back.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing to love them.
That's my hair. Hopefully it has grown. I will try to include the clips of my hair last time, so hopefully there's a difference. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate that, as well as hitting the notification bell as well, just so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos and commenting and thumbs up and all of that. I really do appreciate it. I just wanted to say that. I just felt the urge to say that. And I will see you guys. Look at my hair, it's a hot mess. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.